Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Link Chest, which is an amazing website you can use to improve your SEO very simply. And if you don't know what SEO is or why it's so important, if you want lots of organic traffic to your website for absolutely free, then you need to learn more about this tool. Without further ado, let's jump into today's content. Okay guys, so what we're going to talk about is Link Chest. Jumping down into the description, you'll find the link for this website if you want to find out more. You'll also find a link for an incredible website where you can go to get a massive deal or a massive saving on this very product. And I'm going to talk about that later on in the video, so make sure you stick around for that. If you're not sure what SEO is, it stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it allows you to rank on things like Google, Bing, and various other different search platforms. Why that's so useful? Let's say people are searching to buy a new pair of shoes on Google and they're searching for shoes. Whoever comes up top is most likely to get the click from that person. They're going to go across to the website. They're already looking for that item. There's a high chance that they might buy it. Now, that's obviously a very simple description. The very key thing about that is the website is not paid for that person to come through the website. So that person is highly targeted. Not only are they likely to buy from your website, but they also didn't cost you any money in advertising fees to get them there in the first place, which is extremely powerful. Now, in order for Google and other websites to understand how important or how likely your website is to answer the question and the person searching for it on Google, they use various different things, and one of the things they use is a backlink. So let's say, for example, this video, if I then go and post a link to it over on Twitter, that's a backlink from a high profile website. But you need lots of different backlinks from various other websites to kind of allow you to rank on Google. And this is a way that you can get various backlinks from tons of different websites. You can see here from like LinkedIn, you've got Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, etc. all very easily. Boosting your site's ranking with 2,102 easy to get backlinks. The Link Chest is a collection of high quality, easy to win backlink opportunities. It's the smart way to kickstart your SEO mission and improve your ranking of your website. As you can see, it's already got 4.7 out of 5 potential stars and is trusted by 15,320 people, which is obviously amazing. Backlinks are everything, but getting them is not easy. And there are lots of people who will offer you backlinks, but not necessarily the most quality. And you need high quality backlinks from highly reputable sites. And you can see over on the right, it's giving you a couple of example referring domains. It looks like there's no website with no people clicking on it. Here, 21 people for February. And then on February the 22nd, referring domains, you can see it's 320. It shows Google, etc., that your website is alive and kicking and something that they should be ranking. When you're just starting to rank a website, you're like a new kid at school. No one wants to link with you because you're the new kid. But if you want organic traffic, you need backlinks. So here it's giving a good example. When you're a new kid at school, no one wants to talk to you because you're the new kid. And the website is very much the same. So no one wants to link with you because you're the new website. However, once you start to get backlinks, more people are going to want to link with you, and it's going to build into an army of backlinks. Once you can reach out to other webmasters and build relationships, then you're going to start to see referral domains, and it's going to show your website as being something that Google, etc., needs to be ranking. What most businesses don't know, most people don't know, is it's very simple to get some really good backlinks with very little effort, and finding them all would be a pain in the ass if you had to do it yourself. But if you've got a tool like this that you can use to go and do it for you, then it's a fantastic opportunity. Here you can see all the different ways in which you can get backlinks from websites like Amazon, Microsoft, Instagram, Adobe. These are all highly reputable companies, reputable sites. You can just see how easy it is for you to get backlinks for them all. This is the dashboard that you're going to be operating through. And something that's not going to help you out in the short term, but over a longer term is going to really help you to grow your business. And it's the simplest and easiest way to kickstart link building, accessing 2,102 backlinks now. By clicking across to start building now, guys, you can see that it's going to bring up the Link Chest for $129, which actually might sound expensive, but actually, in terms of a lifetime and the potential it's going to give your new business, is a very affordable price. But in just a moment, I'm going to show you another amazing website where you can get this very same Link Chest program for a massive saving today, guys. So make sure you hang around for that. So you can see down here, guys, an orchard of low-hanging backlink fruit for you. You can choose the different languages, you can choose the niche. So let's just say we're into art. Let's say I want to click on worldwide. It's going to show me all of the different backlinks for these different places. I've got 13 potential backlinks there, and I can use all of these different things to help me build my backlinks for all of these different areas, from social media, search engines, infographics, articles, submissions, and so much more. It's going to save you days and days of work just by unlocking this link chest, and it's going to really help you to get started if you don't know anything about SEO and how to build backlinks. And this is an absolute no-brainer. So as promised, guys, jumping across to Appsumo, link down below in the description. Remember, it was $128 over on the Link Chest website, but if you come over today onto Appsumo, you can pick up the very same product, one-time purchase, for $89, which is an absolute steal. Guys, knocking $30 or so off the price. So if you have an online business, you want to build that business and you need SEO backlinks in order to build your SEO game, in order to get organic traffic for absolutely free, then make sure you come across to Appsumo and grab this opportunity, because it's not going to be around forever. If you want this saving, if you want this product, then make sure you come down right now, get into Appsumo and pick up this product today. One-time purchase, $89. Coming down below, guys, you can see there's lots more information available here. What you'll get for the purchase price is a one-time license, high-quality backlinks, lifetime access, and various other features, as well as the SEO Orchard low-hanging backlink fruit that we just talked about. You're also going to get 2 bonuses, which is Stack 2 codes to receive an extra 10 project domain licenses, and Stack 3 codes to receive an extra 20 project domain licenses, which you can use for this website. Coming down below, there's more information from the founder. As well as that, guys, you've got lots of FAQs with answers from the founder, so you can find out anything else that I haven't covered in this video. And coming down below, guys, you can find out all of these reviews of all the information telling you how fantastic a product this is and how it has helped people with their business. It's easy, great Kickstarter, etc., etc. So make sure you come across, link down in the description. Massive saving today if you get across. It's not going to be around forever, so act fast if you want this product. In summary, guys, SEO is an essential part of any digital business. It allows you to gain organic traffic for absolutely free, and all of that traffic is hyper targeted to whatever it is that you are selling, whether that be services or physical products. Building backlinks is the best way to get started with your SEO game, but it can be kind of time consuming and pretty difficult if you don't know much about SEO. Whereas Link Chest allows you to do all of this very, very fast and very effectively for an extremely low price, in my opinion. So Link Chest is something that you need if you want to get started in your SEO game. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about all of these incredible digital products at a fantastic reduced price, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.